Bạn này lật nóng.
Hello, we are live right now. Hello, L.
Hey,
Hello. You want to introduce yourself to my audience? And today we are also gonna be giving out some whitelist. ก็วันนี้ก็จะมาแจก whitelist หนึ่งที่แล้วก็จะแจกเหรียญด้วยนะครับจะแจกเหรียญด้วยก็รอกันตอนท้ายๆนะครับว่ากิจกรรมแจกเหรียญเนี่ยมันเป็นยังไงนะครับผมโอเคนะครับเดี๋ยววันนี้ผมจะมา AMA กับโปรเจกต์หนึ่งที่ชื่อว่า ARK Rivals ซึ่งเป็นโปรเจกต์ที่ว่าอยู่ใน Poker Starter และผมก็สนใจมากๆโปรเจกต์นี้ก็เลยชวนadvisor ของเขาตอนแรกชวน CEO ของเขามาทำ AMA ด้วยแต่ว่าวันนี้ก็ CEO ของเขาปรากฏว่าไม่ว่างก็เลยชวน advisor ของเขาหรือว่าคนพัฒนาเกมของเขาน่าจะเป็นคนเวียดนามนะครับผม L, you want to say hi?
hey, yeah, good evening. I hope you guys have a pretty decent night, and I hope you really had a good weekend already. Yeah, sorry for a little bit the delay, like just 1 hour because yeah, I just not we are not well prepared for this. Sorry for that. We're good to go.
No problem. ก็ L, you want to tell us about your background? So
Yeah, I'm a CEO of Topbox. It's a game studio that found back in 12 years ago, and we have so many hit game on mobile. So far, like we have like Able Best Game of the Year back in 2016, and also we have more than 50 game title that reached the top one in the US App Store. So we are experienced on game making, and on this project Ark Rival, I'm playing the key advisor of the game design and also the tokenomic design for project Ark Rival. Yeah, and I'm happy to see you guys here today.
nice. So does your studio also help make the game ARK Rival, or like you're just the advisor?
I am advising directly to Nghĩa, the CEO and the design team on this project. Yeah.
Okay, but does your company Topbox makes ARK Rival?
ARK Rival is a important project of Top Up. It belongs to Top Up. Yeah.
อ๋อโอเคก็แสดงว่าเจ้าของเกมเนี่ยก็เป็นคนนี้ที่ผมคุณอยู่อ่ะคุณแอลเนี่ยเป็นคนที่ว่าสร้างจะเป็นคนสร้างเกม ARK Rival so your company is gonna create ARK Rival right
Yeah.
help create ARK Rival which แล้วก็เขาก็อยู่ในวงการสร้างเกมมา for 12 years 12 ปี 12 years, right? You how long have you been CEO for in your game company?
I'm the only one CEO that's found Top Up and operate the studio until this day. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, awesome. How did you start Topbox?
Yeah. We are a group of people that love creating game by heart, and we would like to prove to the world that people from Southeast Asian could also make great game. Because most of the famous and the success game studio are coming from the Western, the US, or maybe in Australia and maybe in Chinese. So I hope that that country like Vietnam, Thailand, or maybe Singapore can come up with some great title. Yeah, and that's why we're here today. And also we developed Ark Rival is like 4 years already. Yeah.
อ๋อคือเขาบอกว่าเขาก็พัฒนา ARK Rival แล้วประมาณ4 ปีนะครับผมก็ 4 years so yeah so already 4 years so when do you think it's gonna be ready to launch ARK Rivals?
We released the roadmap on the website already, and the game is almost ready, and the launch time is somewhere in March. You guys can check out about the detail on the plan and the roadmap in arkrival.com.
Okay, got you. How about in terms of roadmap? How about not roadmap? I'm talking alpha test. When are you gonna have more alpha or beta tests? You're going to have, right?
We have one alpha test already back in a few weeks ago, and during the last alpha test, we received like nearly 100 case of user that registering for the alpha test. But we only give the few thousand code to the very lucky players, and we first we plan to spend 1 or 2 more alpha test, but after the previous test, we see that the game performance and the game is quite ready, quite good. So we decide to don't do the alpha test anymore and enter straight to the beta, which means that you guys are very close to the time that you can try the game already. Yeah.
Okay, Al. That's very awesome. I just want to ask you, like, maybe off topic a bit, if you don't mind. So like do you think that in Southeast Asia, Vietnam is like one of the fastest growing industry for like GameFi and like gaming?
Uh, I think that Vietnam is lucky because no, we have chance to lend our hand on some early project, but from my opinion, I think that uh, the fast and slow is not really important. The one that really win in this market is the one that have enough patience, paying the attention on the market enough to see the lesson that the early developer make, because you see there's a lot of GameFi project is going now, and none of them survive like more than 6 months. So I think that this new year is really the year of GameFi. Since we have a lot of lesson learned from the other project, and now it's time for some really huge project. For example, like ARK Rival, and maybe some other like in Thailand, maybe. Yeah.
Oh, okay. But
Yeah.
I'm asking you, like, why Vietnam, right, have like the most GameFi out in Southeast Asia?
I think that's because in some of the infrastructure, Vietnam is quite ready. Not just that Vietnam is the play of the AC Infinity Studio, but in the other side we have a lot of blockchain company and blockchain platform that's already huge already in Vietnam. Like we have Con 68, and some other like Carrier Chain are our current partner, Kyber Network, and we can name a lot of the crypto company like that, and they are really grow and strong ready. So that's why the game studio have a lot of support from the platform, and this is the important part that have the GameFi industry in Vietnam growing very fast, as you can see today. Yeah.
Oh, okay. I see. Because you have a lot of infrastructure already.
Yeah.
Okay, I understand. But it's surprise like why Vietnam? Why not Singapore? That is like number one, you know. You think because Vietnam people are like very good in gaming and there's a lot more Vietnamese people than Singaporean people?
That's one of the important thing I think, because the current generation of Vietnam is quite humble and quite active. They are better in taking any chance for them to make a good product, and also to grow, and lots of Vietnamese people are dreaming to have a billion startup right now. So that's why. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Got
Yeah.
you. So, so since you are a game studio, right? Right now, you
Yeah.
are 100% focused on ARK Rivals.
Yes.
Like, I mean, like, is there other game like you are also working on, but like, but I don't know how you guys work, Like,
Okay.
do you
Let
have
me
a team for ARK Rival or like you have a different team for different projects?
Topbox is a game company that currently manages multiple game studio. So ARK Rival is one of the big division that we currently have right now, and we rate this game like more than 4 years already. Yeah, and we're not like we are focused on one game. And I will say with you the reason because the game is a one of the very high risk um, investment, right? So
Yeah.
so the way that we operate Topbox like more than 10 years is that we invest into multiple type of game. We take a lot of lesson, and whenever we have a good concept, good idea with that past many testing, we start to build that team into a huge team. Yeah, and yeah, and we don't invest in one in just one team and one product. Whenever we have a strong team, or maybe that team even outside Topbox, we will have to acquire the team and provide funding and help them to scale and to make the that's idea to the into a billion title. That's the way that we operate right now. Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's awesome. So, can you tell me about ARK Rival gameplay and like why do you think it's gonna be fun?
Okay, so we back in 4 years ago, most of the co-founder of our rival team are a strong fan of Clash of Clans, a game from Supercell. Yeah,
Oh,
yeah. But by that time, Clash of Clans is start to getting old already, and most of the fan of Clash of Clans are no longer to play that title, and we love the game, and we want to see. We want to invest to see how to have a better game model that can sustain longer, and and that time we start to make the Upgradeable. Yeah, and I talk to more deeply about this gameplay. Upgradeable is built on the foundation of Clash of Clans, which means that you can build your base and you can defend your resources, and at the same time you can build your army and bring the army into the battle to rest the enemy player and to bring back some resources. But what we did in October here is that we changed the strategy gameplay into action gameplay. With we saw that we can reach a large amount of user than the strategy, and we make the gameplay younger, and we give more power to players who so they can now control the enemy the battle much more efficient like than just in Clash of Clans. In Clash of Clans you only can tap to deploy the army, right? But in Upgradeable, you can deploy the army, but at the same time you can control your spaceship, and to shock and to find whatever you want, and with your own strategy. So it's much more easier to control the battles. So that's why we believe that we have the younger gameplay and much more opportunity for the market.
So you know Clash of Clan founders?
Excuse me. Can
You know you know people who make Clash of Clan?
Yeah, the people that make Clash of Clans is coming from Supercell, a game studio in Western, and and we learned a lot from this team. Yeah,
Awesome.
yeah.
And you say like ARK Rival is similar to Clash of Clan concept?
No, it's built on the foundation of Clash of Clans, which means we have the attack and defense like Clash of Clans, but we provide the 100% different gameplays. If you can play the two game, you will see the difference. Yeah.
Okay. So when is the next test? Because the last test I didn't play.
Yes. I think you really should play this game because we believe that this will become really huge in this year. The next step will be coming in next few weeks. Which means which we call it the first beta test before the full launch that's happening in March, I think. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, like, what kind of team is behind ARK Rivals? Like, can you tell me more about the team behind ARK Rivals?
The team behind ARK Rival is is actually the team that found Top Up actually. So I mentioned earlier about how we operate the team, right? But
Yeah.
actually, Nghĩa CEO is previously Top Up CEO CTO, but now he released the position and he fully focused on this project for Top Up. And the whole team like Dũng Quỳnh or Quốc Nguyễn are the veteran people of Top and they are already go with Top like more than 8 years already. Yeah.
Okay, so everybody is from Top Box. Dang Johnny too. I know Dang Johnny.
Johnny is the CMO and he's coming from Kedah chain. There's some more interesting thing that I would like to share with you guys about this ARK Rival project. Do you know about Habi, the creator of Achiro, a very famous casual game back to last year? It's a very strong Chinese game maker and game developer and ARK Rival we create together with Habi. Yeah. So
you create ARK Rival with Hubby.
Yeah.
Oh, awesome.
And this is a very famous game studio in mainstream actually. Yeah.
Okay. So do you see any like competitions in like games that, because I don't see a game that's trying to be Clash of Clans yet, you know. in GameFi, I don't see a lot of competition. How about do you see a lot of competition?
I think that's right now in GameFi we have no competition. I think, from my opinion, because for most I checked most of the projects that released on GameFi last year and they are not strong enough, they are not big enough, and they are not invest deeply enough. Both on the game and both on the tokenomic structure. So we learned a lot from the market last year and this year we are bringing a serious game with a tokenomic and the economic system that we believe that we can have this project survive for years. And the reason why that we want to build a product that have the sustainable because we believe that the more user coming, the much better, the more meaningful for NFT and the game. So that's why we have that focus.
Okay. Hey guys. We will do some questions and answer later. So right now I just want to talk and when I answer or do question Q&A ก็คือถ้าผมเดี๋ยวอีกประมาณ10 ถึง 15 นาทีผมจะทำเรื่อง Q&A นะครับแล้วจะแจก Whitelist ตอน Q&A นะครับก็ถามมาได้เลยครับเดี๋ยวผมไล่อ่านคอมเมนต์นะครับผมก็คนที่ได้คอมเมนต์แล้วก็อย่าลืมทัก Twitter ผมมานะครับผม so yeah I want you to talk about tokenomics of ARK Rivals.
So let's I think that most of the important info can be found on the website. So I will share with you the most interesting concept about the tokenomics of this game that we built and we're gonna try to intro to you. So in this game there are two things that we are so proud about. The first thing is about the how to earn. We regarding this, we have a way to make the earn structure is very easy to understand for most of the crypto player, and we also have it adapt with the game very well. It's not just you come you come and you collect token and sooner or later the game will crash and all the investor and gamer are lost in this kind of project. But in ARK Rival, we have a building that allow you to earn and you need to play and to use your gameplay to protect the building to keep your to maximize your earning. And secondly, we come up with a concept that introduce with player the fractional world concept, which means we consider the token at the resources of ARK rival worlds and different faction. We need to fight to gain the operation of the resources, and the winning faction we have the most resource and the losing faction we need to try a little bit more to gain back the resources in the next world. Something, yeah, that's the two things that you need to care about in this game, and this token which will have to have the game run in a long way. Yeah.
Okay, awesome. That's awesome. I see. Besides game token, you also have a revenue model, which is nice.
Yeah.
So that makes the company sustainable, right?
I think that we gonna spend fully our focus on making user happy and bring all most of the profit to our user, because ARK Rival is a game that designed for player in crypto and mainstream are living together and play together. So we are not like game. We are trying to not be like other games that try to sell NFT to take a lot of money from user, and and then disappointing user by having them not earning enough. We will try to have most of the income in crypto space return to user, and we will try to run the business by the revenue coming from the mainstream market. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, but this game can be played on mobile, right?
Yeah.
And is there like a barrier to entry? Like, do I need like a certain amount of money to entry, or is gonna be free to?
This game gonna be free to play. Yeah, and user that after they download approval, they can experience the game 100% until the time that they understand the game, and they will know exactly where they will spend the money on. And then they start to invest into the game later. It's okay. And also this ARK Rival it's totally free to play. You can even play the game free and you still find the fun of the free play also. Yeah.
Okay. So how many tokens does ARK Rival have? One or like many?
Just one. Yeah.
Oh, not like other GameFi where there's like 2 tokens.
Yeah. We think that we saw the other game doing, and I think that the way that release the unlimited token for user to earn it's just not good enough. So we choose the way that we are fully build the value of the main token. So that's the best way to bring the benefit to the user. Yeah. So they land on the game, buy Arkan, and they will earn the Arkan also. Yeah.
So how does you earn? Do you earn ARK tokens as rewards, or you earn like NFTs and you can sell your NFTs as reward?
Both way. We also earn ARK token. We also can sell the NFT to make the benefit. and talk about the NFT. We have a way to provide the NFT very limited. For example, with a special ship or a special commander, we will sell to the market like just 1,000 or 2,000, and if player won't buy the NFT during that event, they will only can acquire the that character into the market, because we don't sell we don't sell them anymore. Yeah, so please be careful about that. When when we
So
start selling, that's the only chain that you guys can grab this NFT from us. Yeah.
so so like correct me if I'm wrong. Like the NFT is gonna be like the main business model for gamers, right? Like I want to play this game, I want to earn a lot. It's more like I play to get the NFT and sell the NFT, or is it like to play and get the token and sell the token? Which way is the easiest to earn money?
Yeah, two things also. Yeah. The first thing that the reason that we still have the earning token model, because we believe that this concept is very easy for most of the player to understand, right? And especially on the game like ARK Rival, we would like to bring it on the mainstream, and we will use that to educate people up mainstream that hey, this is crypto game. And the main thing that it's different from other mainstream that you are playing is that you can earn some money. Yeah, so that's good. Okay, and for crypto player, they will know that NFT should have the value, and if they invest into the right game, so maybe that game developer and that game know how to build the value of the NFT, so later they can sell it for money, right? So I think that those two things combine tightly together, because if the token don't have the meaning, so do the NFT, right? So that's why we have two way on the game also. Yeah.
Okay, awesome. And I think you guys get the poker starter and all the IDO from Dang Johnny, right? he contact.
We will IDO on Kai starter, Poker starter, and Hubi from this on the same day. Yeah.
Okay, which is soon.
Yeah.
Okay, awesome. So let's you want to talk to about anything, so I can like I can move to the Q&A and like give out some spots and stuff.
There's a lot to say actually, and I would like you to take the list, because if you allow me to talk about the game, it will take a day, and I always stop now.
I mean, what else do you think I should ask? Like, it seems like so interesting and like so like it's like it's such a good game, and then like it already have the game. You basically already have the alpha test and already have the beta test already almost finished, because some game that is about to launch, they don't even have the game done.
I said, yeah. Just I mentioned with you earlier, and that's we did this project for 4 years, and you can check on the feedback of alpha test people. They're quite happy of the quality of the game, because Clash of Clans is a super game from a super game studio, right? And when we try to build a product that can compete with Clash of Clans from Supercell, we need to have that standard. And the fact that we really love the Thailand community, because we have strong Thailand community in most our other game up to block, like Sky Dancer, like Gun and Dungeon or something, and so that is the reason why that we really care about Thailand community, and yeah.
Oh, but Skydancer is by Top Box too.
Sky Dancer is created by us too. Yeah.
Oh, but
So
it's not but it's not gaming NFT. But it's not game NFT, right? But it's not a.
It's was created back into 2017. So by that time, it's it's not yet the game file the game file right now, but yeah, but maybe soon, yeah, because we are currently invest into Skydancer version 2 also, yeah.
Okay, so yeah, I truly like believe in your gaming company. I just saw Top Box, and then I think some people have like the knowledge, but they don't have a gaming company. Also, no point creating a game. It's very hard, right, to create a game company, right?
Yeah, that's right. Thank you.
takes a
Yeah,
takes a lot of takes a lot of experience. I know that.
yeah,
Yeah.
and especially in this area, there is mostly no chance to correct if the game model is failed. So that's why we step very every step very carefully until the game is mostly ready, and then we are now, yeah, like we do in for ARK Rivals now. Yeah.
Okay, got you. All right, let's move on to the questions. Okay, I will be giving out one whitelist spot and six spot. If I read your question out, means that you get the spots, and please DM me on Twitter, right? Okay, let me show you my Twitter. Okay. Here you go. So follow me on at catmoney14 and DM me if you are whitelisted. Okay. This is my Twitter account. This is our Twitter account. All right. If you get all right. Okay. Let's go. First question. Let me see. What's a good question? Okay. Can you list 1 to 3 killer features of this project that's make it ahead of its competition?
I think that the most important feature that I would like to believe on the high chain of winning of this game is that the special of the tokenomic. And that's the first one. The second one is that we inherit the foundation of class of land, which we believe that there is a very huge user in the club that already know about the foundation, so they will learn on the game very easily without any deep knowledge about the game. And the last one is the fact that we train the core gameplay of Clash of Clans into a action game, which mean that will help us to reach a large audience of user, and and so we can feel more confident to build a huge community, which is the key factor of a winning game in this game file area, I think. Yeah, done. So.
Okay. So there you go. For nice Sue, DM me on Twitter to receive your BUSD. Okay.
Thank you for the
Yeah. So next question. There are going to be 7 questions. Next question. Scholars. You know Axie Infinity. They have scholars.
yeah.
Is this game gonna have scholar system?
Uh, this is a really good question. You know, we really believe in gaming guild on GameFi. So the fact that we create the game tokenomic based on the faction world, which means that we want to focus to service gaming guild to doing the operation of this game, and yes, you can think about that when we will do it, and we will cooperate with the gaming guild to do it after the game launch. Yeah,
Okay. Yeah. So you're gonna collaborate a lot of gaming guilds too.
yeah.
You have any guilds? Can you say?
We are signing the contract with some famous guild today. Yeah, and I would like to keep it secret to have the community team to now later. But yeah, but really which one?
Okay. I hope it's Skill5.
Yeah.
Okay. please DM me on Cas Lutero. Please DM me on Twitter. Okay, to get your BUSD. Right. So see. Okay, so vesting. Do you have any question about vesting? Do you know the vesting of the tokenomics? You know anything about like the tokenomics vesting period for IDO when you get on PokerStarter?
I think that this question I don't have very clear because to answer this it's nghĩa. It's better because I'm mostly have to design and to create the tokenomics together. So this info I would like to skip and to have nghĩa and the other guy that interact answer is more correctly because I may don't have the exact information.
Okay.
And, yeah.
Okay. Because ก็ตอนนี้ก็ยังไม่มีคำตอบนะครับผมก็หาอยู่เหมือนกันมันยังไม่ค่อยมีคำตอบเรื่อง vesting อะไรประมาณนี้โอเคครับก็อย่าลืมคุณบูเฟสทิตี้ก็อย่าลืม DM ผมมาใน Twitter นะครับผมแล้วก็จะได้รับเหรียญนะครับ BUSD เล็กๆน้อยๆครับผม that's three already so
I saw here there's a question that if you know Century City Debt Telegram type, people will miss them very much. And there is a secret that I would share with you that Nghĩa is the creator of Century City. Yeah.
This one?
The question above from Crew Con channel.
Oh, okay. What did he say? This one.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm surprised because there's still people remember about this game. So Nghĩa, the CEO of ARK Rivals, is actually the one that created Century City. It's a very famous mobile game back in few years ago. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Thai people know. How Thai people know?
Yeah. This guy know. Thank you, bro.
Okay. อย่าลืม Okay, then this guy deserve a whitelist spot for ARK Rival.
Yeah.
ครูกร Channel ครับอย่าลืม DM ผมทาง Twitter หรือว่าทางทาง Twitter หรือว่าทาง Telegram นะครับเพื่อเอา whitelist spot สำหรับ ARK Rival นะครับผมโอ้โหสุดยอดมากเลยครับ So this guy deserve a whitelist spot.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah. Thank you for your channel.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. How about this guy? How many players target you want to achieve this year?
We have a big dream, and we are currently target to have 2 million of user in the first quarter and 10 million of user in the first year. And in the long run, we would like to beat the user base of Clash Plan because the game is built for this purpose. Yeah.
Okay, ครับผม All right. DM me to get the BUSD. Okay. let me find how much. 2 more. Okay.
Yeah.
2 more. Let me see. What's a good question? The games early. How is this? Let me see. Okay. Does the team ARK Rival accept created ideas to create to earn? Because I see something about create to earn for ARK Rivals.
Yeah. I think that we are. Let me say with you that we built this game for 4 years already, right? And the reason why that it takes too long to develop this game because that we're doing many tests with our user, and for each test we receive the feedback, we receive the opinion from player and combine together with what we see during the test. We train the game for like mostly 4 years already. So that's for sure that the team is very willing to accept idea from player and from community. So that is the long goal of the team actually. And to talk more about the creator on, I think that a read game is the one that can help user to to able to sell their idea, to contribute to the community, and to make money for inside the game community for a long run. So that is the way that we would like to support in the long run of operation of this game of Rival. Yeah.
Okay, I understand. That's awesome. So remember to DM me your wallet and I'll send you some BUSD, right? It's actually not mine, it's actually by ARK Rival team. So yeah. What's your main focus right now? Okay, last question. Maybe last question that gets some BUSD. All right. What's your main focus right now? Are you focused on the community or what's your main focus right now?
At the current period, they too focused. I mentioned it too because this project is a collaboration project between us and Kadia, and we do the best. We do the best thing that we can do. So Gear and Tabak will focus on the game quality, and people in Kadia chain will focus on the marketing and the community. But but in the long run, we really believe that the product itself we have to maintain everything. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Got you. So if you guys win the awards, remember to comment here. Okay. Remember to comment here. And yeah, like this guy, right? Hi, I'm Kusalong Gaming. I can't DM you. Okay, a lot of people can't DM me. Oh, okay. Just tell me who you are and like just capture your screen. Okay, we got 2 already. All right, no need a DM. Just like retweet here, and I'll reach out to you, or you can. Oh shit, there's a mess. It's fine. It's fine.
That's mean you're
Okay.
you're really hot, right?
This game, how to do it? All right. Maybe a lot of people are very interested in this game and like how to burn the NFT. Is there like burning NFT inflation? I don't really understand this question, but I guess
I think that we can try to understand this question in our own way. That's mean that maybe if they care about the bond and the bond thing, that I think that maybe they fear of the fact that maybe the NFT it's so numerous. So yeah, so they can kill the demand of maybe of buying the NFT in the marketplace later, or maybe there are too many NFT sell by the debt. Which I really explained earlier during this. I made that we will release the NFT very limited. We will be the one that build the game around the limit NFT that we release to build the value of that NFT. So not like other project. I remind again that whenever we sell any NFT with a limit number of them, make sure that you go there and you acquire if you want to really if you really want to have them, because later you don't have any other opportunity to acquire that NFT anymore. Yeah.
okay.
And also the burning plan is also, I think that is the plan only for project that control not well the value of the NFT, so they burn to make the NFT higher. This is not the case of ARK Rival because we control the NFT from very beginning. Yeah.
Okay, understand.
Mm.
That's very awesome. So limited amount of NFT first come first serve. You get your NFT, you can sell later, you can do whatever with it. Yeah, okay. So yeah, guys, just yeah, just okay. I will. So if you guys got any whitelist, just comment on this thread and tell me who you are on this thread, and then I will get back to you. Okay. And obviously there's verification process, and I will verify with you that you're the actual person that got the whitelist, and we can proceed on from now. Also, Kun, there's a lot of things you want to tell the audience. Well, I'll try to handle this mess. Anything else?
Okay. Okay. So yeah, there's a lot that I would love to say, but we really want to to build a huge community in Thailand, and so if anyone that interesting to go with us in the long run or want to join the join the team to build the game with us, just don't hesitate to to send us a message. Yeah, we
Yeah.
believe that that we can go together with this game and make it awesome.
Build Thai community. You want to build Thai community.
Yeah. Because we that's the very strong community that we would love to pay the attention on.
Okay, got it. So yeah, let's like just try the game. I think this game is gonna be quite a very good game because it's backed up by a studio, and like like you normally find NFT gaming that is like you don't have the game but you have the concept, but this you have the game already.
Yeah.
Just figure out a bit of tokenomics and
And that's one other thing that's really important. So also I would like to say with you that most of other game studio are trying to bring similar game concept from other game that already exist on the mainstream, and they add and they utilize by crypto, and then they are now a GameFi project, right? This ARK Rival is a completely new game with
okay.
which is this concept is not existing on the mainstream market. So I think that this is the first time it's the first time ever in this year that crypto player had the chance to try a really new game, and and especially it's coming from top up also.
Yeah, that's interesting because I agree with you. Like some NFT projects, they see a game that is popular in the real world, like in not GameFi, and then they try to make it okay. We are NFT of Pokemon, we're the NFT of Clash of Clan, whatever. But you're saying Ark Rival is a completely different game, like completely different game. You won't see a game like this on the mainstream game market.
Yeah. So
Okay.
we're the first one in this concept, and we build this game for the crypto genre also.
Awesome. I see where you're coming from. Okay, that's very cool. I actually, before you go, I actually have a lot of Vietnamese friend.
Yeah.
Can I ask you, like, are you in Vietnam right now, and where you from? Like in part of Vietnam?
I'm from Ho Chi Minh City, and
Really?
Top Up, and Top Up is a Ho Chi Minh City game studio also. Yeah.
My friend is also from. My best friend is Vietnamese.
Really?
Yeah.
I think you find the a opportunity to hang out for coffee whenever you come to Ho Chi Minh City, or maybe I come to Bangkok, right?
He also live in Ho Chi Minh. Yeah,
So where are
really.
you?
I'm in Thailand right now.
Okay, yeah. Bangkok.
Also, no, Phuket.
So nice beach.
Yeah, cause I study in Singapore, and then I meet a lot of Thai Vietnamese friends, and then I hang
see.
out with them.
Yeah,
And that's why I know a lot of Vietnamese friends. And
Yeah.
all right.
Yeah.
Thank you, L.
Thank you. Poor.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Nice talking to you.
Okay, nice talking to you and nice to see you guys. Very good day.
All right. Have a good day, Al. Bye bye.
Okay, bye bye. See
Bye
you.
bye. See you guys, everyone. Have a good night.